Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 13. Bulk breaking in the chain of distribution is the sole responsibility of A. Consumers, B. Hawkers, C. Producers, D. Retailers, E. Wholesalers. So the chain of distribution is the main concept we are looking at here, and another concept we are looking at is bulk breaking. So bulk breaking in chain of distribution. Now the chain of distribution refers to the method by which goods and services produced pass from the producer to the final consumer. So this channel or chain that the goods pass from producers to consumer is the chain of distribution. Now bulk breaking, the concept of bulk breaking refers to reducing or decrease in terms of quantity. So you would agree with me that from producer to the consumer, the quantity that is circulated at some point will have to decrease for some reasons. So the chain of distribution runs from producer to wholesaler to retailer and then finally to the consumer. So this is the chain. Now the wholesaler receives in bulk from the producer, and when he receives in bulk or buys in bulk, he then sells in small units to the retailer, who then sells in even more smaller units to the consumer. So you see that the bulk breaking, that is main decrease in quantity, happens at the level of the wholesaler. Therefore the correct answer is E, wholesalers. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.